Cassjcass here today with another product review. I'm here with a white noise machine because I am that person. Before I go to sleep, I like putting calming music on so that when I wake up in the middle of the night or in the morning, I want to be in a good mood. I want to start my morning like really peaceful as possible. So I would literally go on YouTube, type sleep music, sleep white noise, whatever, sleep meditation, just to go to sleep. But sometimes we all know how YouTube with those ads, especially if you don't have premium, and I'm not paying for premium. And Spotify, sometimes they will switch the whole genre on you. So I saw this on Amazon. I decided, you know what, how about I try this one out. I've never really had an official white noise, so that's my first one.
Don't you ever say I just walked away, I will always want you. I can't live a lie, running for my life, I will always want you.
Here we go. Let's see how it works. That's just the user's manual here. Just telling you everything about it, what it do, what it doesn't. So it's telling me here that we have nature sounds, fan sounds, white noise sounds. It has a timer, volume up, volume down, power, of course, because you gotta turn it on somehow, right? You can put it for 30-minute timer, 60 to 90 minutes. Wow, they have a headphone jack. Do you know how amazing that is? Let's say that I'm taking a long trip on a bus or train, plane. I can literally have it with my headphones on. I'm liking this so far. This is what it looks like. It looks like a little like speaker or something. That's everything here. Like me, when I'm going to sleep, I like to go to sleep with the rain sound on. It's just so satisfying and then so amazing to go. That's what I like. That's my preference. So I'm guessing nature would have that installed. Okay. Not every day you buy something where they give you the adapter. Not every day. Like I've bought many things, they only give me the jack. They don't give me the adapter. Okay, so that's a plus. Plug it in right there. Whoa. Okay, so if anybody watched my last video about the humidifier that I bought, like they had something similar where the cable adapter is going to be. And look at this. They literally have it right there so it doesn't get messed up. Like it just flush. Look at this. Amazing. All right, let's try this bad boy out. So I've plugged it in and let's just see. Okay, so it wasn't all the way in. Oh, ooh. Okay. That's the fan. Let me put the volume down. Imagine sleeping to this. By default, it's up to 60 minutes. All right, let's try the wave. I wonder if it has animal sound. There we go. I don't know what just happened. Okay. There we go. That's my sound right there. I like this. It literally feels like there's water inside of it. I think I will enjoy it because I can just go to sleep without having to, you know, plug my phone on, putting the music on my phone. I just have this that is dedicated specifically for white noise. So if you've ever thought of getting a white noise, please give this a chance. I just wanted to let you guys know what I use, just in case, so you can have an idea, you know, if you wanted to get something. But this one so far, I really like the different noises that there is in it, and the sound, the waves, everything. The fact that there is a timer, so I don't have to keep it on for forever or just unplug it. I can just let it plug and then put a timer on. The other thing is how you can control the volume, so that's a good thing to be able to do. So far, I really like what I'm seeing, and of course I would have to use it more to give you guys a better idea. Again, I want you guys to know right now, whatever I post, whatever product that I make a review, I bought it with my own money. Nobody's giving me nothing. I'm not getting paid for anything. I'm just here just to show you guys, hey, this is what I'm using, in case you were looking for something similar or you wanted to buy it. Now you see how it works. So I think a white noise is really like an essential, a must-have. It just helps you with your mental state, just going to sleep. You know, it helps. Well, it helps me a lot. So I will post the link in the description below. So please let me know if you have any other type of white noise that you use, how it is for you, and if you ever think of getting one like this. So let me know if you like this and what other product you would like to see the review of. Alright, so guys, this is it for the video. Like, please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Come back next week for another video of moi.